Hey friends, welcome back to DevUnraveled. Today, we're diving into level 3 of the Python challenge. Let's crack it step by step. When you open the challenge URL, you'll see an image of 7 candles, with a small one in the middle. And a hint, one small letter, surrounded by exactly 3 big bodyguards on each of its sides. But where are they? Looking at page, there are no such letters available. Here's the twist. The actual challenge is hidden in the page source. Here, we see a huge chunk of random letters inside a comment block. If we carefully checked, these letters are either capital letters or small letters. This is our treasure chest. So next, we'll write Python code to extract that string as per hint. Now if you closely look at title of challenge page, it says re. In Python, re is library which supports regular expression. Hence, this is one more hint, saying that we have to use Regex to search for necessary letters. First we import Regex and BeautifulSoup libraries to get page source. Now we get the data from the URL. Printing soup.contents tells us that the required chunk of data is second to last in list. So we get that data into required_data. Now since we need to use re, we import it. Now we need to create our regular expression to solve this challenge. It can be done by using compile method. Here we need exactly one small letter, surrounded by exactly 3 capital letters. Since our interested part is middle small letter, we add bracket to it. Now running this regex on required_data, we print all matches without any space to get a single word. We get the output as linked list. We copy linked list and replacing equality in URL with linked list, it takes us to a page saying linkedlist.php. So we go to linkedlist.php, and we solve the challenge. As always, the clean and well-documented code is available at my GitHub repository. Link is in the description. If you love this puzzle, smash that like button and subscribe for more walkthroughs as we tackle every level in the Python challenge. Thanks for watching. I see you in next challenge.